New Mexico is putting the brakes on any further reopenings as we've seen daily COVID cases rise lately. News 13's Brittany Bates shows you the new data the state's top doctor laid out today. Brittany?
Just Dr. David Scray saying today the state is on the same trajectory as we were ahead of the case spikes in April and June. Adding another surge is not out of the question.
I don't want to, sort of spread gloom and doom about this, but at the same time, that the logical conclusion to your answer is yes, we're likely to see a significantly more cases if we as a state don't do something differently and react to what we're seeing right now.
Dr. Scray says the state is seeing an increase and it could be tied to a rebound effect from the Labor Day weekend. The southeast corner of the state remains New Mexico's current hotspot. Scray says they are working to do more testing there. Now to the state's gating criteria, New Mexico is in the red in the rate of spread category, rising above the goal of 1.05 or less. Dr. Scray expects the state to soon go red in another category as well, the 7-day rolling average of confirmed cases.
Based on the numbers we're seeing this week, there's a very high likelihood that this 168 will be, this number here will be above 168 next week when we revisit this. And we will be red in both categories, which means at least a full foot down on the brake for any new expansion until we get this under control.
New Mexico is also in the red on the nationwide COVID exit strategy map. According to that, we are now doing worse than the country's one-time epicenter, Arizona, which Dr. Scray says is a tough pill to swallow. Dr. Scray did not allude to any further closures, only saying everyone needs to buckle down and avoid large gatherings as well as travel. Jess, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Brittany. The current public health order ends this Saturday.